to respond to both.
Thank you. What we've agreed.
Oh, we swap. Or move it. Sorry.
What we're doing is in appreciation of the fact that this country belongs to all of us. As the Council of Governors, we are stakeholders and leaders in this country. And we also realize the economic situation we're in and the effort that the Treasury team is putting to try and get things stabilized. But markets are driven by perception. Markets are driven by perception. Much as we put pressure on Treasury to raise money, as a country we shouldn't be making it difficult for them to do so. And this is why we are willing to engage both sides of the divide. We are bipartisan, almost in half in representation between Azimio and Kenya Kwanza in this council. So we believe that when people talk, solutions are found, and we want to be part of finding that solution. We want to be part of the process of finding that solution. The second question on monies that have not been utilized, I wouldn't think there'll be governors who will be shouting for money or being unable to pay salaries when they have money in their accounts. But also you would appreciate that there is a time lag between when Treasury releases monies and when governors or counties access, because it has to go through a process, and that is very much in the hands of the Office of the Controller of Budget. So we're also engaging the Office of the Controller of Budget to see how to reduce that time lag between when monies hit our county revenue funds account and when they are available for use to actually pay for the operations and the development in the counties. Thank you.
When there's a bipartisan almost collapsing, how different would this be?
I think the statement was very clear and straightforward. We said we are offering this committee, because it's composed of members from both sides, to engage the leaders from both sides. I think that is sufficient. You will see as we move forward. Thank you.
The fact that the one governor has fallen does not mean.
Thank you so much. Thank you for answering my question. If one vehicle has collapsed.
Hi, Governor, how are you? Calling someone for your cough.
Yes.
You guys have
Good to see you.
Yes, there's something outstanding.
I know.
Yeah?
I know.
Yes.
When there was a time.